Hello everyone, welcome to Go Get My Guru. Let's continue our series on Python interview questions and answers. So the first question for today's session is, what is negative indexing in Python? So always, negative indexing starts from the last element, that is -1 gives last element and -2 gives second last element. So here scores is a list. So from where in this list negative indexing starts? Negative indexing always starts from reverse side. That is list is ending at 35. So 35 will be starting of the negative index, that is -1. 45 will be -2. So positive index always starts from first element in the list, tuple or string. So this is how negative and positive indices works. So where do we use this negative indexing mostly? This comes in handy when we want to reverse a string or reverse a list. Let's move on to second question. So how to access list of all the keys in a dictionary? So as we all know, dictionary is a set of a key value pair. So it will be having both keys and values. How can you access only keys from that dictionary? So dictionary can be accessed using key function. The syntax for this is your dictionary name dot keys function. Consider a dictionary of dress and their price. So sari, this has value 500, let's say, and shirt, it has around 700. So what are the keys here? Keys are sari and shirt. So print dictionary name dot keys. When I run this, I should get only the keys in this dictionary. So we are getting only the keys sari and shirt. I hope you guys are clear how to access keys. So the third question is, write a list comprehension to get the output list. So we should get output list same as this. So what is happening here? How you can write that? Let me show you. We have to make use of list comprehension. We can directly print the output. So here I will write list comprehension first. So 3 power I for I in range 0, 790. So why I have taken 7? You will observe when I run the code. So here you can see that we have got the outputs which are power of 3. So what is happening in the code? When I mention a range, so range starts from 0. The first value taken will be 0. So 3 power 0 will be 1. That's why we are getting first element of this list as 1. And the next range will be 1. So 3 power 1 will be 3 and 3 power 2 will be 9. So the list continues like that. I hope you understood. The fourth question is, what is the output of the following program? So observe this program and try to guess the output. Any guesses? So let me run this same program in the editor. So this is the piece of code we have observed in the question. When I run this code, let's check what will happen. We'll get an error telling that unbound local error. So what is this error? Let's go back to code. Observe in line number 6, price is a global variable because I have defined this outside the body of function. So here what I am trying to do in line number 2, I am trying to increment this global variable which is not in the scope of this function. So I cannot do that. That's why we are getting an error. So how we can correct this error? This error can be corrected using global keyword. So I'll just make use of global keyword, global, and then give price. When I run this now, you can see that we have got value as 100. Let's move on to the next question. Next question is, write a program to check whether the given string is palindrome or not. So what is palindrome first? Palindrome is nothing but whenever you read from reverse side, it should be read same as the original string. Let's try to write a code for this. So let's take a variable sentence and we'll take input string from the user. Enter the string. Now let's check using if condition whether reversing a string is same as original string. Sentence is equal to sentence. Let's reverse the string. I hope all of you know how to reverse a string. So now print string is palindrome. Else if the given string and reverse string are opposite, we will print string is not palindrome. I hope you understood the logic here. Now let's run this and check. It's asking us to enter a string. So I'll enter a string as madam. So string is a palindrome. Because if you reverse this string, it will still spell as madam itself. Let's try to give the else condition and check. Now I'll enter a string as sir. Here you can see that output it is giving string is not a palindrome. I hope you are clear how to check the given string for palindrome or not. I hope all of you are clear with all the questions and answers we have discussed today. Request you to like our videos to support us. Leave us a feedback in the comment section. Have you subscribed to our channel? If not, request you to click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon to receive regular updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next session. Keep coding. Happy learning.